undo that centerpiece. I've already loosened mine slightly there. Take that off, get your Allen key down in there, spin your bar off, take these 3 nut and bolts out, which is fairly straightforward. Maybe should have loosened these before the video. Hey ho. Nice and easy. You then take out the centerpiece, get your thing, stick it on, line up the holes. I need to actually pierce them. There we go. Get rid of them. In this kit you do actually get longer nut bolts with it, so you would then just put them in there. Make sure you don't lose them. Stick them back on. So it turns out that I've actually misplaced one of these. It's probably last night when I opened it. But I'll put it all back on. I've just used the old ones that I had there. So you get your Allen key, just same in reverse as we did when we took it off. Tighten your bar up, and then get your Allen key out if you can. And then you get your wee centerpiece, screw it back in. Tighten it up somehow. And get your things lined up, and there you have it. That is you ready to go. I just had to stick the quick release on there. So, aye, get in touch with Daza from PWS for your flat surface cleaners. Boom.